Me. Today's a little bit different. Today is just about encouraging you to use your bands, work your legs, work your booty, but in a way that you can really enjoy. And I'm especially talking to the ladies. Put your bands on. If you don't have bands, no problem. You're gonna get a sweaty, juicy, yummy workout out of this too, okay? This is not that serious. It's not about if you do this song, your booty's gonna grow. Again, this is just a fun and entertaining way to encourage you to move, work those beautiful legs as you feel so feminine and good up here. Deal? Ready? Coming down into that squat. Now, as we do fun things, make sure you know your form, right? Your knees are always on top of your feet. Good. Take it to the side. Take it down. Boom. Hold that band out. Take it to the other side. Ooh. Ooh. So I'm keeping my knees over my toes as I'm feeling myself. Good. Face me. Arms come up the body. Boom. T. T. Ha. Ooh. Coming up. Squeeze that booty really tight. Ooh. You can feel it. Yes. Good. Take your body to the corner. It's all about isolating that booty. Ha. Ha. 4 quick squats. Squat. Ooh. Squeeze one booty at a time. Take it to the other side. Ha. Ha. Remember, feel beautiful. Down and up. Ha. 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 Good. Let's work on form. Nice. I'll be a naughty girl. Jumped out. Hey. Now we're gonna start having some fun, okay? Let's go. Touchdown. Hey. Whatever movement you want. Yes. Go down to the squat. Up. Squeeze. Ooh. Yep. Squeeze. We're gonna release the head. 1, 2, 3. Release. Up. Again. Down. 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 Release. Good. Right here. Keep those knees out. Keep that booty pointing back. Other side. Can you get lower? Face the back. Party. Yeah! Doesn't take much, right? I just want you to have fun with it. My booty's on fire right now. Just make sure when you come back to this, your knees are always on top of your toes. You never want your knees sinking in. Otherwise, you're not triggering anything back here. If anything, you're hurting yourself, yeah? And again, sometimes working out like a girl is so fun. In my opinion, most times. We're so encouraged to work like a man, right? Which, don't get me wrong, I love it. I love when a coach yells at me. I love it. I love making ugly faces. But once in a while, it's nice to work out like a woman, right? Like feeling yourself. So that's what I'm encouraging you to do on this workout. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video. Comment below if you enjoyed it. As always, thank you so much for joining me for this, and I'll see you on the next class.